The Lord be with you. Blessed Holy Thursday, everyone. Today we are celebrating the Mass of the Last Supper. And in the Last Supper, our Lord Jesus Christ instituted two very important sacraments. The sacraments of the Holy Eucharist, when He said, "This is my body, this is my blood, do this in memory of me." And He also instituted the sacrament of the Holy Orders when He allowed His disciples to perpetuate the sacrament of the Holy Eucharist. My dear sisters and brothers, first and foremost, please pray for all of us priests that we will be faithful to our vows and consecration to the Lord, that we will forever be worthy instruments of God's giving of Himself in the Eucharist. And today, we are also having the commemoration of the washing of the feet. After the meal, Jesus bent down and washed the feet of His disciples. Today, we are not only choosing men, as it was the customary before, just like what Pope Francis used to do, we are also washing women and children. It is not about the number of the people to be washed. It is not about the gender of who will be washed. It is all about the act of God's humility. Jesus said to Simon Peter when he didn't want to be washed by Jesus, He said, "If you will not be washed, then you will not be connected to me in any way." Jesus' humbling experience of washing of the feet is a reminder for all of us that He is always willing to go down even to the level of us slaves of sin so that He can meet us. That's the greatest act of love after all. A love that is willing to meet the beloved in their lowest point, just so He can let the beloved feel that they are one. Jesus Christ did all of those so that we, His beloved, will feel that we truly are loved. This Holy Thursday, let us allow Jesus to wash not just our feet, but to wash our whole being, body, and soul by His most precious body and blood. Holy Thursday is all about Jesus offering Himself in the Eucharist. And washing of the feet is the reminder of cleansing us, body and soul. So let us join in the banquet of the Lord, looking forward on that eternal banquet in heaven. God bless you.